In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to calendar links to Mailchimp Classic emails. This is a super handy feature that can make your emails more interactive and user-friendly, especially if you're inviting your subscribers to an event, webinar, or meeting. By including an add to calendar link directly in your email, you're making it easy for your audience to save the event details without hassle. This small addition can significantly improve event attendance and ensure your recipients don't miss out. So let's walk through the steps to set it up. And by the end of this video, you'll have a polished, professional email ready to go. Let's get started. First, head over to Mailchimp.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're brand new to Mailchimp, you'll need to create an account first. It's a quick and straightforward process, and once you're logged in, you'll be ready to move on. Once you're in your Mailchimp account, navigate to the email campaign where you want to add the Add to Calendar links. Find the Edit Design section for that campaign. This is where you'll be building and customizing your email. So it's an important area to familiarize yourself with if you're new to Mailchimp. Here, you'll see all the options for editing and designing the content of your email. Next, you'll want to add a new section to your email. Look for the option that says Add Sections within the editor. This is where you can bring in new pieces of content to enhance your design. Sections allow you to break up your email, and they're especially useful for inserting specialized features like the one we're focusing on today. Now, within the Add Sections menu, locate an area labeled Apps. This is where Mailchimp keeps integrations and additional tools that you can add to your email. Scroll through until you find the Apps section. It should stand out, but if you're having trouble, take your time and carefully look through the options provided. Once you've found the Apps area, drag the Apps section onto your email design. To do this, simply click on it, hold down your mouse or trackpad, and move it to the part of your email where you want the Add to Calendar links to appear. This is your chance to think about the layout of your email. Do you want these links at the top for quick access, or perhaps at the bottom as a final call to action? Position it wherever it makes the most sense for your audience and the purpose of your email. Now that the App section is part of your email, it's time to add the calendar functionality. Click on the section you just added and look for the option that says Add Event Calendar Links. This is where the magic happens. Selecting this option will activate the feature and let you customize the event information that will appear in the calendar link. After that, you'll need to connect the functionality to fully enable it. Mailchimp will prompt you to click Connect. Do this, and it will activate the Add to Calendar feature for your email. This step essentially sets up the behind-the-scenes work that allows the calendar links to function properly when your recipients click on them. Finally, it's time to test your email. This step is crucial because you want to make sure everything is working as expected before you send your email to your subscribers. Use Mailchimp's testing tools to send a test email to yourself or a colleague. Open the email, click on the calendar links, and verify that they open correctly and display the event details you've entered. If something doesn't look right, go back into the editor and make adjustments until it's working perfectly. And that's it. Your email is now ready to go, complete with functional Add to Calendar links. This small addition can make a big difference in ensuring your recipients never miss an important event. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.